Hello friends, today I am going to show you GL parameters forms in the Dynamics 365 cloud base version. You have to go to Ledger setup and menu items GL, then General Ledger parameters. Once the form will open, you will able to see whatever things are available under these forms. What are the fields and accounts related setups. Basic setups will be under the GL parameter forms. We will see here ledger. In the journal section, check for voucher used, check continuous number, then penny difference letters is correction, then accounting rule, financial dimensions, value used for summary accounts, accounting rule to use or not, and commenting accounts. Under this, then fiscal year close and delete close of a year during transfer, and these are tick marks fields are available. Second field is sales tax related things, under which you can select item sales tax group, then calculation date type, ledger entry for intercompany tax, postings, calculation method, line. Here total and lines are there. Then amount include tax or apply sales tax session rules. Then check sales tax code for non-warning, validate tax code. These are the tax options. Reverse sales tax on cash discount, customer cash discount, vendor cash discount settings, invoice, then inventory dimensions. You can go each by each. Inventory dimension display on overview. Then number sequences. These are the basic number sequences for GL, journal, closing sheet, batch number, rules, basic rule, elimination rule, journal transfer, sub ledger, journal entries, sales tax payment. These are the importance. One. Then batch transfer rule type, transfer mode, asynchronous, source document type. Then chart of account and dimension. Chart of account delimiter you can set here, you can change the delimiter. Just you need to click here and you can select the delimiters. Run in background, you can set batch also. Then ledger settlements related setup. Enable ledger settlement, advanced ledger settlement. And these are the basic things available under this. I hope you will like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe.